Welcome to HobbySwap, the social interactive platform where passion meets possibilities. First things first, create your profile. Sign up, add your details, and get ready to explore a world of hobbies. What are you passionate about? Select the hobbies you love and the ones you're curious to swap and learn. Welcome to your personalized feed. Discover posts related to your hobbies and explore new interests shared by others. Like, comment, and engage with fellow hobbyists. Found someone with a hobby you admire? Send them a message, share ideas, and learn together. Your profile, your way. Edit your personal info and update your hobbies anytime. Stay connected with all your hobby friends. Access your chat screen to keep the conversation going. Take a break, have some fun, play exciting mini games, and compete with others on the leaderboard. Ready to swap, learn, and grow. Download HobbySwap today and start your journey of endless possibilities.